Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download or install additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to download and install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. This one with this icon, and once the devices are paired together we can continue and we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the application we can tap on device, and here you should see your GTS 4 on the device page. Under it you will see this watch faces category. You can tap on this arrow right here to open the watch face store, and here you can browse through the different categories of watch faces, look for something you want to install, and once you find the watch face you would like to install you can simply tap on it. For example, this one, and here we have a description of our watch face. This one looks like a street sign, which is kind of interesting, I would say. And let's say you decide to install the watch face, you can tap on sync. It will start downloading, then syncing with your watch, and once it's done syncing it will be applied on your watch like this. And you can install multiple watch faces, of course. So let's say we want to sync this one as well. And probably at some point you will run out of space for them because there is limited amount of space on your watch. And once you do, you can go to the mine category right here in the store. This shows you the list of watch faces already installed on your watch. You can scroll through it right here, and you can even change watch faces by just tapping on one. But if you want to free up the space for new watch faces, you can tap on delete, and here you can select the watch faces you want to remove, then tap on delete, tap on OK, and the watch faces will be removed, and then you can install more watch faces if you want to. And basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.